morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm David.
And I'm Alice. Hello, hello. It's so nice to be here with you today.
Hey, Alice. Let me ask you something. What is the first thing you do every morning?
Honestly, I look at my phone. I know. That's not very good, is it?
Okay. Don't worry. A lot of people do that. But today, we are going to talk about something very exciting.
Yes, today's topic is morning routines to improve your English.
That's right. Your morning routine. The things you do every morning. These things can help you learn English faster.
And the best part? You don't need extra time. You can improve your English while you do normal things, like eating breakfast or brushing your teeth.
Exactly. So if you are ready, stay with us, because by the end of this video, you will have a simple, powerful morning routine in English.
Let's go.
Okay, Alice. First things first, let's talk about the word routine.
Routine. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
A routine is something you do every day, at the same time, in the same way.
For example, every morning I wake up, I drink coffee, and I get dressed. That is my routine.
Yes, and a routine is very powerful because when you do something every day, it becomes a habit.
A habit, yes. A habit is something you do without thinking, like brushing your teeth.
Right. Do you think about brushing your teeth every morning?
No, I just do it, automatically.
Exactly. And that is what we want with English. We want English to feel automatic, natural, easy.
So the idea is this. If you add English to your morning routine, little by little, your English will get better every single day.
Little by little. I love that phrase. Say it with us. Little by little.
Little by little.
Beautiful. Okay, so now let's talk about some specific things you can do in the morning to improve your English.
Yes, and these are very practical. You don't need a classroom, you don't need a teacher. You just need your morning.
Okay. Step 1. This is the very first thing. When you wake up in the morning, think in English.
Oh, I like this one. So instead of thinking in your own language, try to think in English.
Yes. For example, when your alarm rings, don't think, "Oh no, it's morning," in your own language. Instead, think in English. "Good morning. It's time to wake up."
Or think, 5 more minutes, please.
Yes, that works too. 5 more minutes, please. That is very natural English, by the way.
Let's say it together. 5 more minutes, please.
5 more minutes, please. Perfect.
But seriously, this is a very simple exercise. You are not studying. You are just changing the language of your thoughts.
And why is this helpful? Because when you think in English, your brain starts to work in English. You don't need to translate. You just think.
And translation is very slow. If you always translate from your language to English, speaking becomes slow and difficult.
But if you train your brain to think in English, speaking becomes faster, more natural.
So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, say something in English, even just one sentence.
Maybe, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day."
Or, I'm tired, but I'm ready.
I love that one. I'm tired, but I'm ready. Repeat after me. I'm tired, but I'm ready.
I'm tired, but I'm ready.
Perfect. Okay, let's move to step 2. Step 2 is one of my favorites. Listen to English while you get ready.
Oh yes, this is so easy to do. You don't need extra time. You listen while you do other things.
Exactly. So when you are in the shower, when you are brushing your teeth, when you are making breakfast or getting dressed, just put on some English audio.
You can listen to a podcast, like this one.
Yes, exactly. Listen to a podcast, or you can listen to English music, or an English audio lesson, or even a YouTube video playing in the background.
The key is passive listening. You are not studying hard. You are just letting English go into your ears.
Passive listening. Let's say that again. Passive listening.
Passive listening.
And passive listening is very powerful. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears are getting used to English sounds, English rhythms, English pronunciation.
It's like being a baby. When babies learn their first language, they listen for a long, long time before they speak.
Yes, babies don't study grammar. They just listen and listen and listen, and then one day they speak.
So you can do the same thing every morning. Just listen.
Now, what should you listen to? That's a good question.
For beginners, I recommend slow, clear English, like this podcast, or simple English news, or an easy English conversation.
And for intermediate learners, you can try to listen to normal speed English, a podcast, a short YouTube video, or a radio show.
The most important thing is to listen every day, even for 15 minutes. 15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Yes, 15 minutes every day. That is your goal. Can you do that?
Of course you can. It's just 15 minutes.
Okay, let's go to step 3, and this one is very fun. Step 3, talk to yourself in English.
Wait, talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
No. This is actually a very common technique that language learners use, and it works really well.
Okay, tell us more.
So the idea is simple. When you are alone in the morning, talk out loud in English about what you are doing.
For example?
For example, when you are making breakfast, say, I'm making breakfast. I'm going to make some eggs and toast. I'm putting butter on the bread.
Oh, that's nice. You are describing your actions in English.
Exactly. This is called a running commentary. You are talking about what is happening right now.
Running commentary. Say it with us. Running commentary.
Running commentary.
And this is great for practicing the present continuous tense, the I am doing form.
Yes. Let's practice. Alice, what are you doing right now?
Right now, I am sitting. I am talking to David. I am smiling.
Perfect. And I am standing. I am holding a microphone. I am speaking English.
See? It's easy.
And you can also practice vocabulary. When you see something in your kitchen, say the word in English. Knife, fork, spoon, cup, plate.
Oh, I love this. Like a little English game in your kitchen.
Exactly. And if you don't know a word, that's okay. Just look it up. Look it up means to find the meaning of something.
Look it up. Great phrase. Write that down. Look it up.
So every morning, try to talk to yourself for just 5 minutes in English. Describe what you are doing, name the things around you, practice out loud.
And speaking out loud is very important because when you speak, you are training your mouth, your tongue, your voice.
Reading English in your head is good, but speaking out loud is better. So don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Repeat. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Perfect.
Okay. Step 4. Read one short thing in English.
One short thing, not a whole book.
No, nothing like that. Just one short thing. Maybe 5 minutes of reading?
So what can we read in the morning?
Great question. You can read a short news article, a simple blog post, a few sentences from a book you like, or even just your English learning app.
I like to read English quotes in the morning. You know, a short, beautiful sentence that makes you think.
Oh, that's a lovely idea. And it's short, just 1 or 2 sentences, but you read it slowly. You think about it. You maybe repeat it out loud.
And reading every morning helps you in so many ways. You learn new words. You see how sentences are built. You learn grammar without studying grammar.
Yes, that is the secret. You don't need to sit with a grammar book every morning. Just read natural English. Your brain will start to understand the patterns.
Patterns, yes. English has patterns. And when you read a lot, you start to feel what sounds right.
Exactly. You feel it. Like, you don't know the grammar rule, but you know the sentence is correct or incorrect.
Native speakers do this all the time. They don't think about grammar rules. They just feel the language.
And you can feel English too, with practice, with patience, and with your morning routine.
So, what is one short thing you will read tomorrow morning?
Think about it. Maybe choose something now. A website, an app, a short article.
Whatever you enjoy, because if you enjoy it, you will do it every day.
And that is the key to learning English. Consistency. Doing it every day.
Consistency. Consistency. Consistency.
Say it. Consistency.
Consistency.
Beautiful word. Okay, we are almost at step 5. But first, hey, quick moment here. If you are enjoying this conversation, if it's helping you practice your English, please hit the like button.
Yes, it really helps our channel, and it tells us that you are learning with us.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe. Every week, we make new conversations just like this one. Slow, clear, and friendly English for learners like you.
We are building a community of English learners all around the world, and we want you to be part of it.
Okay, let's continue. Step 5. Step 5. Write 3 sentences in English.
Just 3 sentences?
Just 3 sentences. That's all. 3 sentences every morning.
Okay, I like this. It sounds very manageable.
Manageable. Good word, Alice. It means not too hard, not too big. You can do it.
Manageable. Let's say it. Manageable.
Manageable.
So, what do we write?
You can write anything. Write about your morning. Write about how you feel. Write about your plans for the day.
For example, today is Monday. I feel tired but happy. I'm going to study English for 30 minutes today.
Perfect. 3 simple sentences. And you can write them in a notebook, or on your phone, or in a notes app.
And writing is so important for English learners because when you write, you have to think about words. You have to choose the right word. You have to build the sentence.
And this is different from speaking. When you speak, everything happens fast. But when you write, you have time to think.
Writing helps you understand your mistakes. You can look at what you wrote and think, is this correct? Does this sound right?
Exactly. And don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are how we learn.
I made so many mistakes when I was learning English.
And now look at you. You are speaking excellent English.
Thank you, David. The point is, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just write. Every morning, 3 sentences.
3 sentences. That's your goal. Small, but powerful.
And after 1 month, you will have 90 sentences. Think about that.
90 sentences in 1 month. And after 1 year, over 1,000 sentences.
1,000 sentences. Wow, that is a lot of English practice.
All from just 3 sentences a day. That is the power of consistency. Okay, friends, quick but important announcement.
Yes, our friends Sarah and Michael just launched a new channel. It's called Smart English Coach.
Smart English Coach is for advanced learners, B2, C1, C2 level. More hard and real conversations. Real English, the kind you hear at work, in movies, in real life.
And guess what? We help write the scripts too, so you will feel the same style, same energy, same love.
Go subscribe, watch the videos, get the value. The link is in the description or in the first comment.
And don't worry, this channel stays exactly the same. 1 video per day, every day. We promised. We will not leave you alone till you become a strong native speaker.
The second channel does not slow us down. You have our word.
We love you too much. Don't go anywhere. Okay, back to the lesson.
Okay, let's review everything. Are you ready?
Ready.
Step 1. Think in English when you wake up. Even just 1 or 2 sentences. Good morning. Today is going to be a great day.
Step 2. Listen to English while you get ready. A podcast, a video, music. 15 minutes is enough.
Step 3. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. Name things around you. Practice out loud.
Step 4. Read 1 short thing in English. An article, a quote, a book. Just 5 minutes.
Step 5. Write 3 sentences in English about your day, your feelings, your plans. 3 sentences every morning.
5 steps, all in the morning. And most of them take only 5 to 15 minutes.
So in total, maybe 30 minutes, maybe less.
And you are already doing things in the morning. Waking up, getting ready, eating breakfast. You are just adding English to those things.
Exactly. You are not adding more time to your day. You are just using your morning time better. Okay, Alice, let's make this more real. Let's imagine a full morning in English.
Oh, I love this. Like a story.
Yes. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Your alarm rings.
Beep, beep, beep.
Yes. And instead of turning it off and going back to sleep,
Which I sometimes do.
which we sometimes do, you sit up and you say in English, "Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. Time to wake up."
That's step 1. Thinking in English.
Then you go to the bathroom. You turn on the shower. And you also turn on a podcast or an English lesson. You listen while you shower.
Step 2. Listening to English.
Then you get dressed. And while you are getting dressed, you talk to yourself. I'm putting on my shirt. I'm going to wear jeans today. The weather looks cold.
Step 3. Talking to yourself. Running commentary.
Then you go to the kitchen. You make coffee or tea, and while you wait for the water to boil, you open your phone and read one short article in English, maybe 3 or 4 paragraphs.
Step 4. Reading.
Then you sit down for breakfast. And while you eat, you take out a notebook or open your notes app and you write 3 sentences. Today is Tuesday. I feel good. My plan for today is to go to work and practice English in the evening.
Step 5. Writing. Done.
And all of this, maybe 30 minutes, maybe even less if you are fast.
And after that, you go to work or to school or wherever you go, feeling good because you already used English this morning.
You already practiced. You already improved. Before 9 o'clock.
Before 9 o'clock. I love that.
Okay, we have 5 steps, but let's give some extra tips. Small things that make the morning routine easier.
Great idea. Tip number 1, prepare the night before.
Yes. Before you go to sleep,